welcome to Chair Yoga. I'm your host, Girl Scout Cadet Sydney. For Chair Yoga, you need an armless, non-wobbling chair, a flat, level surface for your chair, comfortable clothing, a space to fully extend your limbs, and a positive mindset. In this video, we will be doing the cat-cow pose. To begin the cat-cow pose, sit at the edge of your chair with your back straight and arms to the side. For the cow portion of this pose, you're going to arch your back, extending it as far as you can while still remaining comfortable. Hold this position for 4 deep breaths. And after those 4 deep breaths, go back to sitting up straight, your seated position. For the cat portion of this pose, extend your back backwards, going as far as you can while still remaining comfortable. We'll hold this position again for 4 deep breaths. And after those 4 deep breaths, go back to your seated position, sitting up straight. We will do this pose 3 more times. Remember to only go as far as you can comfortably. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Go back to sitting up straight. Go backwards now. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Go back to your sitting up straight position. Do this 2 more times. Arch your back forward. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Back to sitting up straight. Arching your back backwards. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. And inhale. Exhale out. Great job. Doing it 1 more time. Arch your back forward. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Go back to sitting up straight. Arch your back backwards. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. much for joining me in this chair yoga session. Have a phenomenal day. Goodbye!